Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. So today we're going to power our WordPress website with AI, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So right here we have our website. It's a demo site. It doesn't have anything at all. And basically what you're going to do is first is to connect this demo site to AI. Now, what you need are the following. First of all, you need something known as Nova Mirror. It's a plugin that enables connection of an MCP to your website. So basically you just get to this utaenda hapa and then you're going to download it. So I've already downloaded it. It's already on my device, maybe even 2 copies. The next thing that you need is to ensure that Node.js is running on your on your machine. If you do not have it on your machine and it's not running, you might encounter problems or challenges with this exact method that I'm using. Then next you need to use, of course, Chrome. So I tried this with Mozilla Firefox and I had a bit of challenges. So I think maybe it works very well. This method works very well when you're using Google Chrome. And lastly, you need Claude desktop. So it depends whatever you'll be using. Maybe you're using ChatGPT or Gemini, but for this case we are going to be using Claude desktop. So that is our client that we're going to be using. Now go to your website, go to the plugins page, and then add new plugin, then upload plugin and select Nova Mirror, the one that I've just shown you to download, and install it. Then activate it, then go to Nova Mirror configuration. So these are now the settings for the plugin. So turn on the AI abilities for this site. So you're going to enable AI and then save the settings. And then next you're going to generate an application password. So this application password is what is going to be used to give access to your Claude desktop or your client, the one that you'll be using. So I'll just generate application, and then I'll minimize this. I'll go and open Claude. I have Claude already in my machine. Yes, now that I have Claude on my machine, the first thing that I need to do is to check the settings, go to developer and edit this configuration file. So this configuration file is what is going to enable you to connect to your WordPress website. So I'm going to take all this and delete it. Then I'll go back to the Nova Mirror application password. Now I'm not going to use this. What I'm going to use is Node.js configuration. So need the JSON configuration for specific client. Yes, so I'll use a Claude desktop. This is what I'm using. This is what is on my device. So I'll just copy that and paste it here, and then I'll save. Then once you do that, you need to close Claude completely, just to make sure that it picks up the new configuration settings that you put. I usually go to an extent of closing it using Task Manager, because sometimes Claude is a bit stubborn, doesn't want to go away. So end task. Good. Now let's open Claude again. Then for us to confirm that the website is actually connected, let's go to settings, developer, and then you need to see this saying running. So this is what we've just connected right now, Novamira kms@guaro.com. So now it shows that this client or Claude desktop is connected to my website using Novamira and using this password, application password as a access code. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to reset it, so don't mind. Don't think you're going to be using it. But anyway, we want to just try at least one prompt and see whether it actually works. So first of all, I'm going to just ask it, are we connected? Are you connected? Are you connected to my site kms.world.com? So I want it to detect it first before anything. So it says, yes, I'm connected. The Novamira MCP server to kms.elguaro.com is live and responding. So it has already connected to my website. Now I'm just going to give it a simple prompt. When you come to my pages, you will notice that I do not have any page right now. So I'm going to ask it, kindly create a page and create and publish a page called home. So let it work. Let's see what's going to do. Yes, so as you can see, it has said that it has been created and published. The page has been created and published. So I'm going to check whether the page actually exists. There it is, and it has been published, so it's live now. That's a very simple prompt. I want to give it a bit of a more challenging. I want it to write an article. Write a 500 word article about using AI to enhance WordPress design process, and add a featured image of your liking and publish the post. Yes. So I'm asking you to write 500 word article using AI, using about, so this is the title, and add a featured image of your liking and publish the post. So let's see whether it can perform this. Yes, so it says that it has actually created the blog post, and it has written the article, used the featured image. So we are going to check it. Let's just check what we have. I'm going to go to posts, then there the article is, view. Let me go and view it. Perfect. This is quite exciting. Anyway, I just wanted to show you how to power your WordPress website using AI, and I've shown you. So you go and give it a try. I don't know whether, I know there are so many ideas that you have in mind that you can try. So just go and see whether it can actually work. Thank you.